Welcome to this step-by-step guide for setting up your smart lock with the Haven Homekey app. Today, I'll walk you through how to add passcodes, cards, fingerprints, e-keys, remote keys, and the Haven Homekey app itself to control your smart lock. On your homepage, it includes e-keys, passcode, cards, fingerprint, remote. Let's start with passcodes. Tap Passcode to view your list, then tap Generate Passcodes. On this page, you can see a wide variety of ways to create your passcodes. Let's go over each one. Timed is when you want a passcode to only be valid within a specific length of time. An example of this is when a guest is visiting you for a couple of days. One time lets you create a passcode that's only usable once. It also must be used within 6 hours of creation. Permanent is when you want a passcode that will keep working until you decide to delete or remove it. Custom lets you choose your own 4 to 9 digit code and lets you choose if you want its validity to be either timed or permanent. Recurring lets you create a passcode that is only valid on specific days of the week and at specific times. This is perfect for situations like for housekeeping. Finally, Erase lets you delete all of the existing passcodes on this smart lock. Before we move on, let's create a custom passcode and try it out. Click on Permanent. Next, type the name, for example, Room 101. Then enter your custom passcode like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finally, click Set Passcode to save. One final note, custom passcodes require you to be by the lock with your Bluetooth on. For all the other options, you can create the passcodes anywhere, whether inside or outside your home. To add an RFID card, tap Card to view your list of cards, then select Add Card. Choose either timed or permanent, depending on what you want to use this card for. Enter a name for this card, set the validity period if you chose timed, and tap OK. The smart lock will now prompt you to tap your RFID card on the lock to register it. When registration is complete, the smart lock will tell you that it was successful. To add a fingerprint, tap Fingerprint to view your list of fingerprints, then select Add Fingerprint. Choose either timed or permanent depending on your situation. Enter a name for this fingerprint, set the validity period if you chose timed, and tap Next. Follow the instructions of the smart lock and place your finger on the sensor 4 times to complete the registration. When registration is complete, the smart lock will tell you that it was successful. To add an e-key, tap e-key to view the list of your e-key users, then tap the Send e-key button. Choose either timed, one time, permanent, or recurring, depending on your situation. Let's use permanent. Enter the phone number or email, along with the name of the user who will use the e-key, then tap Send. In just a short time, the recipient will receive an email or SMS containing the login credentials to the Haven Homekey app. To add a remote, tap Remote to view the list of your remote devices, then tap the Add Remote button. Choose either timed, permanent, or recurring, depending on your preference. Let's use permanent. Enter a name and tap Next. Now, press and hold the lock button on the remote for 5 seconds, then tap Next. A list of available remotes will appear. Select your remote from the list to complete the process. Now you can unlock your smart lock using Remote. If you are near your smart lock, you are able to directly open your lock using the Haven Homekey app. All you have to do is make sure that you are nearby your smart lock with the Bluetooth function on and press the large lock icon in the middle of the page. This will communicate with the smart lock directly and open your door. And that's the different ways to control your smart lock using the Haven Homekey app. Thanks for watching.